So, so you are unlike. Okay, Arturo. When you want to say, for example, 2 steps before, the expression is to be 2 steps ahead. To be ahead, to plan something ahead. It means that you can predict what is going to happen in the future, or you can predict what is going to happen next. Yes? I'm going to plan something ahead of time. It's another expression. 2 steps ahead of time. Yes? Okay, thank you. Joab, your question number 5. How do you think young people can be helped to take responsibilities, to take on responsibilities? 2 minutes.